Want to get the latest features on your iPhone? Here's how to update your iOS 26 in just a few steps. First, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then select Software Update. Your phone will check for the latest version available. When you see the iOS 26 update option, tap Update Now to begin the process. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, has enough battery life, or is plugged in, and that your data is safely backed up. Keep in mind the update is fairly large, around 6 gigabytes, so you'll need enough free storage space. Once everything is ready, sit back and let your iPhone do the rest. In just a little while, you'll be running on a iOS 26 updated version with all its newest features. And that's it, guys. That's how to update your iPhone iOS 26. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.